Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead on Fabric Friday. Yeah, I've added a top and a bottom to my whole cloth. There is a colour difference. I'm now working on the sides to it. We're having computer problems and waiting for parts. So if I can edit, I will do and put it on the end of this video. I don't know how well I pick this up. It's about 6:30 at night and it's dark outside, and I've got no really strong bright lights in my sewing room. Strong enough for me but not for the camera. And so I'm working on the sides to my quilt as you go whole cloth and enjoying every minute of it. I was having a go at this pattern design yesterday and did this one, which I've now turned into something else, but I'm enjoying it no end. So sorry there isn't much this week. Bye.